Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn the important configuration steps for WordPress. This is the session is specially designed to how to know the importance of the configuration files. Here we have just now by following our previous lecture, we have completed successfully by having of the database creation and its credentials. Along with we have inserted here and choose an admin username and password. And now see here, once if I access the database after installation of the database, like a WordPress installation, it is see here. These are the tables predefinedly created. We didn't created any table. Just go with that option of database and just refresh it. You will see all the tables here. And go to the WordPress users. This is the table is created with what the admin user ID and password you have given while creation of your admin account. You will be seen here. You just see here admin and the user password, the user like a user underscore nickname. It is a nice name. It is an admin, and you'll see here like a admin email, whatever you are given, and the URL which here is used. And whenever you have initiated in real time installation of this and accessing of the your WordPress and want to change like a admin password, you find out here like admin, you will come here and change the admin password to update as yourself. You are having in a database credentials as a WordPress developer, and you can change the user login username and like email ID and password as well. This is the MD5 string. It will be placed here. It might be single MD5 or double MD5 would be there in the user password. Check with that documentation of WordPress. Come back here, replace here, and test yourself to changing of your requirement of like a as a developer version. Forcefully, you are trying to change if you are changing in the database table directly. Strongly remember this about the configuration. Very simple, and by clicking the login, you have to like enter of your created username and password to log in into your WordPress. In our next lecture, we'll see by how to enter into WordPress and how we will see about the dashboard. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.